I was listening to hear come together. It's not come together. Come together. All right. Okay.
Come together.
Come together. We have to come together. Come together like birds of a feather. Stronger together make we storm the weather. Whether black, brown, green, yellow, blue, or pink. Come together, chain and link. Come together, stronger than we think. Make we come together. We have to come together. Come together, stronger together. Look, many a days we wonder what going on. Many a days we don't feel like going on. Many a days we sit down and cry and we ask God why, and all we do is just sigh. But if we have somebody fit hold we and if we have a little shoulder to lean upon, we get stronger. Tell the truth, though. We feel better. More power fit hold on longer. So let we come together. We have to come together. Come together like birds of a feather. Stronger together make we storm the weather. No man is an island. We can't do it alone. Whether we have Jackie Chan, Bruce Lee, or Schwarzenegger, whether we are Prime Minister, Governor, or Manager. Look how we Bonono's ambassador. Look how you seeing Shelly, Brianna, Natasha, Ramona, Ilian, and Sharika, enough more Jamaicans where we prouder, especially in the Olympics, yeah. Them can't do it alone, so make we come together, because we need help, and we need support. Come together, because of that we are promote. Come make we come together, come make we come together. Stronger together like birds of a feather. Come together, make we storm the weather. Come together, make we weather the storm. Come together, just keep calm and unite. It's just right. Come together because we're stronger together. Stronger together, make we come together. Stronger together, make we come together. Come make we come together. Come make we come together. Irie, one love.
Aye, Katie and Gentles. So first we had Macaruffin performing Unity by Desmond Decker, and then you're coming again, but help me with that pronunciation, Katie and Gentles. You said it's not come together?
No, it's not come together.
No?
Come together.
Come together. And of course, that is Jamaican patois.
Yes.
Yes. All right, Katie, and I want to thank you so much for performing tonight. One big Irie family.